Welcome to our updated Sensitive Juveniles and Residential Placement, CJRP for short, Web Respondent Tool. I will be guiding you through the key features of CJRP's website. Right here is where you will enter your user ID to log in. You should have received your user ID in the mail or via email. If you have not, please contact us and we can provide your user ID. Note this message at the bottom. 15 minutes of inactivity will log you out, but no data will be lost. Once you enter your user ID, you will be navigated to the PIN page. Please make note of the 4-digit PIN in red. This PIN will allow you to log back into the web survey on your own and create a security question for recovering your PIN. If you happen to forget this PIN, you may be required to start the web survey over from the beginning. Please select a security question to answer. If you forget your PIN, you will be asked to provide this answer to re-enter the survey. You have now arrived at the dashboard page. On top, you can access the following information. About the survey contains history, facts, OJJDP facts, and the CJRP databook. PDF options contain print blank form, print completed form, and the user guide. Print blank form will allow you to download a blank PDF of the CJRP form to print and fill out if you prefer a paper version. Print completed form can be used after entering your data online to save a PDF copy of your completed CJRP form for your records. Data snapshot highlights some data visualizations and trends from CJRP data. And Contact Us contains all of our contact information. The dashboard page also lists all of the sections in CJRP. Section 0, Facility and User Contact Information. Section 1, General Information. Section 2, Persons in Custody. Section 3, Persons Released. You will click the green Start button to begin work on each section. Keep in mind you can log back in and pick up where you left off. You can also see the status of each section here. If you have any questions, please contact us and we can provide further guidance.